How do we name this compound according to IUPAC? Well, it may be a little bit tricky because you have to look at it through the right lens. So first off, remember, we have to identify the highest priority functional group, which we only have one in this case, and that is a carboxylic acid, right? When you see a carbonyl carbon, which is a carbon with a double bond to an oxygen, and a hydroxy group on the same carbon, that's a carboxylic acid group, okay? Now that has to be part of the main chain, and then we want to find the longest chain containing that group. Now, if we look at the way that it's drawn, clearly the idea is to mislead students to a degree and have us think that the main chain is this long chain right here. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. And so we have a heptane with some sort of functional group sticking off of it. But like I said, we have to have the longest chain that contains that functional group. And so really the main chain is going to go from this carbon with the functional group down, and then of course following this long chain over here. And so we can actually redraw this compound if we want to, and we can redraw our carboxylic acid, and then we can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons in the main chain. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons in the main chain. And then on the second carbon, we have this ethyl group. So that's the first, the second carbon, we have an ethyl group. And this is how you may see more often if you look this compound up online. 2-ethyl, because this ethyl group is on carbon 2, and then there's 6 carbons here. So it's 2-ethyl hexanoic acid. Remember, when we name carboxylic acids, just find the longest chain and then call it enoic acid, right? So hexanoic acid, but there is an ethyl group on the second carbon, 2-ethyl hexanoic acid. If this helped, please give a like, follow, share, save. See you guys in the next one.